Have you ever felt like your romantic relationships kept hitting the same wall? You're trying, but something's off. Misunderstandings, arguments, or just feelings are completely out of sync. This could be a sign of low EQ, emotional intelligence. Stick with me because today I'm breaking down what low EQ means, how it's probably sabotaging your love life, and practical ways to turn it around. I'm Dr. Amanda Pasciucco, a trauma expert and a therapist, and my team is here to help you in leveling up your love and relationship life. EQ, or emotional intelligence, is your ability to understand, manage, or respond to emotions, yours and those around you. Low EQ means you're struggling to read the room. And in relationships, that's a recipe for some trouble. Here's how it shows up. First, you misread your partner's emotions. They're upset, but you think that they're just tired, so you brush it off. You could struggle to express your own feelings. Instead of saying, I'm hurt, you get angry or you shut down. Third, low EQ often means poor conflict resolution. You're either avoiding tough talks or escalating them into blowouts. The truth is, low EQ isn't about being a bad person. It's about skills you haven't been taught yet. The good news is you can improve this, no matter where you're starting. My team of therapists sees this every day, and we know it's a game changer for relationships when you work on your emotional intelligence. Low EQ doesn't just cause hiccups, it can derail your romantic relationships. It creates distance because when you can't connect emotionally, your partner feels unseen. And when they feel unseen when they're giving to you, that builds resentment. It also fuels miscommunication. If you're not picking up on their cues or sharing your own, you're both speaking different languages. It erodes trust. If you're shut down during conflict or you react impulsively, your partner stops feeling safe. Low EQ can make even the strongest spark fizzle out. So how do you fix this? Here are 3 practical steps to boost your EQ and transform your relationships. You don't need to be perfect to improve your EQ. You just need to start. And don't worry, you weren't taught this in school. It's not like you missed a lesson. It's probably the first time you're hearing it. First, practice active listening. When someone talks, don't just hear them. Listen, put your phone down, make eye contact if you can. Reflect back what they're saying and say things like, it sounds like you're feeling overwhelmed. Those things show you care. Next, name your own emotions. When you're upset, pause and ask yourself, what am I feeling? Instead of snapping, say something like, I'm frustrated because I have the story that you're ignoring me. This is tough at first, but it builds honesty. And finally, learn to de-escalate. During an argument, take a breath and say, let's talk this out calmly. It's not about winning. We're trying to solve the problem together. Start small and you'll see that your relationships grow stronger with these tips. Low EQ might be holding you back, but it's not your fault and it doesn't have to be your future. You can build emotional skills and create the love life you want. My team and I are here to help guide you, so hit subscribe, like and the bell. We release new videos Wednesdays at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Go to Life Coaching and Therapy and fill out a form. Drop me a comment below and tell me what's one EQ skill you want to work on. Catch you next week.